Good morning, everyone. So it's Monday, finally. Finally is Monday. The market is reacting because we got some stocks on our watch list. Abe is going really good because the pre-market is almost 3% over our breakout zone. AMC doing all right as well, testing our resistance. MULN reacting in pre-market because we got earning just in 1 week. AI doing all right. FFIE is pumping almost 27%. It gapped pretty high from this level, the $1.10. TRKA, we're still watching this one because we got as well the earning after 1 week from now, and we gapped up almost 30%. Then the price went down. So we'll see if we continue to hold or we're gonna have a sell-off. I'm watching this one closely. Welcome everybody, welcome. Good morning, good evening. What we should expect for the market for today. Let me just check the scanner for today and get everything ready. See which one losing much. We got AEE or AEI, yeah, 34% down. Okay, this one it was a biggest gainer before, now it going down. Let me just check the biggest gainer for today. We got SUTI. I don't like the pre-market volume, it's just 1K, so I will just take it from the list. Second one, FFIE, doing alright, 27%. Pre-market high around the $1.51, and now gravitating down around the pre-market low, around the $1.08. So we're gonna go toward the support. 19 million worth of volume, so looking good. SOUN, yeah, 26%, but I don't like the chart. SOUN. Okay, so looking good, looking good. But I don't like the chart, you know. It's kind of tricky. So I don't Thank you, son. Thank you, Pooper Scoober. Welcome. Elite, my brother. Welcome, brother. Ahmed in the house. Okay, everybody tuning in right now. Tuning in. Are you ready? It's been like long, I think it's a long weekend. 2 days without trading. So let me know if you're trading cryptocurrency in the weekend or not, or you take the weekend off. Okay, so the cryptocurrency still have a bit of drawback because we're hitting an important resistance for all of them. That's why the weekend wasn't that volatile. However, Shiba Coin is doing all right. If we go in the crypto, we see that Shiba Coin is still doing all right. Dogecoin still holding. Shiba Coin have a breakout, so Shiba Coin is looking pretty nice. Yeah, Shiba Coin look really nice. We have a breakout from the 4012. So yeah, here the breakout. Dogecoin got rejected around our resistance. That's why the price gravitating down. So yeah, the cryptocurrency have turning point at the moment for Dodge, for Shiba Coin. For Shiba Coin, of course, this blue line, this is would confirm a bullish trend for Shiba Coin, the 4017. But now still, we not clear yet, even for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have the technical level here. The 2930 should be a turning point for bullish momentum. Now here, still in bearish momentum. So now that's why the price is still undecided. We are in the middle. We are in the middle. Let me go back to our watch list, or let me just check other stocks. FUBO getting rejected around the $3.27. BBY pre-market 2%. Oh man, you see what's happened to BBY? Look guys, BBY got rejected around the $3.60, so that's why the price gravitated down. But at the time being, we're still holding above this AMA. So now we have a bit of reaction from the market for BBY over this support. As we said, this is it. We need to hold above the $2.89, $3 for confirming a reversal and going higher once again. Coin, I'm watching coin as well for potential squeeze around the $1 or 111. Space Galactic 3% pre-market, looking for a breakout. Already put my alert. HLBZ, we might see red to green. This one of the biggest gainer for this year. Look, we did almost 400%, but the price got shorted around the 54 cents, and see what's happened? 60% down, man. But there's something interesting happening for HLBZ, which is volume. Of course, last Friday it was 80 million, one of the biggest volume gainer for the market for HLBZ. And the second thing, we have a test for our AMA. So the market maker just tested this breakout and the price went down. So I'm watching HLBZ for a potential pump. Lucid is still holding, man, still holding above this purple box. As we said, this is accumulation area. We might see a huge pump. ATR, I'm watching. BBIG. Oh man, BBIG is pumping, I think, pre-market 13%. Oh, BBIG, we should put it on our watch list. BBIG on the move. Looking really good. Looking really good. BBIG trade for today. We spot another trade. We spot another trade for today. BBIG. This one, ARDX, SoFi, CTMX. Oh, CTMX is about to squeeze. Let me just check CTMX. CTMX. So the pre-market is still down, but there's a potential squeeze for this one. There's a potential squeeze. You see this flag? There's potential break from this flag and going toward the squeeze area, the $3.58. So I'm watching for this or that for a potential reversal here around the $2. So whatever the price break this flag, we're gonna have a huge volatility up or down. So watch out for CTMX. Already put alert. Let me just lower the alert to be more ready for this trade. So we got BBIG on the move. You know what I'm gonna do? I put it on my watch list, BBIG, with the other stocks like Ape and MULN. MULN looking good, better than AMC, because AMC going down right now. AI still holding, so AI is looking good as well. It's better than AMC. FFIE not looking good. TRKA not looking good. Yeah, we give almost 25% before the market open. ELYC. This is a maybe. We might see a breakout. Oh man, it's pumping right now. ELYC is pumping. There's a potential squeeze. Potential squeeze. Yeah, potential squeeze. TRKA still struggling. We might see a sell-off before the market open. I don't like this. Already sold off. You see what's happened? We already gave 13%. Yeah, almost 13%. But the pre-market was high. The pre-market high for TRKA. Let me just check the volume. 11 million. Pre-market high around the 39, man. Look, 39 cents. So we give a lot. We give a lot. We give a lot around the 39. Look. So we almost did. Let me just see. We 39. Oh man, we did 45% in pre-market high around the 39. Yeah, almost 50%. Imagine. So we give all this away. I don't like this. So I don't like this. The short is shortened TRKA before the market open. So we might have a game over. We might have a game over for TRKA. However, we might see a pump around the 27.50. So we need this reaction for TRKA, breaking this, testing, boom, then squeezing. And need this reaction. We need to hold this current support, otherwise we're gonna have a sell-off. TRKA, we have a watch for TRKA. YC, we might see a breakout. Look, someone bought right now above this AMA. You see this huge pump. So we might see a huge bump for this one, going higher once again. We already did the watch list for today for YC and our Jesus watch list. So yeah, we discussed this one just before our live streaming for entry and exit and everything. So yeah, I'm watching this one for potential trade. Let's check APE. APE is going down once again. BBIG looking good. Let me just put it first. MULN, AI. Okay, second. We have to organize our list, you know. So I put the priority for stocks. The stock that have potential squeeze first, I will put them first. The other stock that will squeeze later, I put them down. So I don't make it easier for me to just focus on two, you know, because we have many stocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when the market open, in the first 30 minutes, we're gonna have just one or two will actually go and pump. The other one will be stagnate and maybe even sell off. So we have to watch out for the winners that will have a pump at the first 30 minutes. Welcome everybody. Alert, TRKA selling off. TRKA selling off. Game over for TRKA. Game over. Game over. If we open below this, man, we have just 15 minutes. If we continue to go down and we don't hold above the 25, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. At least for opening the market, okay? That's why I put it down. We need to hold. We need to hold this 5-minute candle holding above this red line. We don't want to have this reaction going down until the 22. This would be a major weakness. Still, in the big picture, the 22 is the current support. You see here? The 22 is the current support for TRKA. But I would have liked if TRKA hold at least above the 25, okay? The 25, then we're gonna have a break for this ascending channel around the 27.50, then continue to go higher. Welcome everybody, welcome. Cheers everybody. I'm drinking water if you're wondering what I'm drinking. Not tea, not anything, but just water. Just water. Water is life. That's all I need. Of course, I drink my coffee in the beginning of the my morning routine, but now I prefer water. You are welcome, Carlos Ortega. I will call you Carlos Ortega. It's kind of rhyme with your name. Naima Cisco. Ask about Cisco. Cheers, Brandon. Or Brando. Brando 2017. I don't know why 2017. George. Okay. Sometimes we don't have any. Sometimes we don't have any news regarding BBIG pumping or not. Oh man, TRKA is going down. I don't like this. So now, green to red. Imagine this one was 50% up in the pre-market. Now is 3% down. Oh man, we might see a huge dump down for this one. Another 12% down. I don't like this. We need to break. And now it's pumping. You see, pre-market is really volatile, so we'll watch what's gonna happen in the first at least 10 minutes for TRKA. We might have a test for this AMA and then reverse. This is it, you know. We don't like to go until the 22. 22, this is support, of course, but I don't like to have the price go until there for today. 24, then bounce will be okay. Otherwise, a sell-off if we don't hold the 22. If IE, AMC, AI, MULN, APE. Okay, so we watching two stocks now, BBIG and ELYC. When the market opened for today. This year is really good start for the pre-market and the whole market, you know, is a really good start. We have a good start for the year. Let us check another one, QPBTS. Okay, this one did 29% and now 12%. Price is around the $1.50 something. I will check if we and we have another request for BGXX, one of the top gainer before. So let us put it on our list. And the other one, BBAI. What's the reason that, like, I think next time if I want to trade a stock, I will just pick any stock start with BB, you know. We have BBIG, BBBY, BBAI, BGXX. So any stock start with a B is a good choice for ape, you know. And there's a potential to squeeze. I'm kidding, okay? I'm kidding. Don't take this advice. This is really bad idea to just take the name and trade any stock. This is not good. But it's funny actually, because here we got BBBI is pumping and BBIG is pumping. And pre-market almost 11%. Last Friday we did almost 50%. Okay, so BBAI is still pumping. Looking good, looking good. Profit taken around the $7 this one. And BGXX still sleeping in pre-market. So there's potential pump maybe when the market open. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, so we have to watch the other stock that pumped last Friday, we might see a continuation. For BGXX, you see it here that the price got shorted around the $1.87, and the price went parabolically down. You see here, this is a really bearish momentum down. But if you go back in the big picture, we see that the price went from the 55 until the $2. So the price is about going back to have a bit of accumulation and refueling, because if you see, we're still holding above this AMA and confirming that we're still in bullish trend. So don't be confused when you see a huge selling pressure. Don't say, okay, the stock is finished, almost 43% down. But if you see that the price is already did 250%, this is normal. So don't compare this stock with Tesla or the other stocks, blue chip company, that if they went in one day 45%, is mean the company is bankrupt or something bad happened to the company. But those stocks is pretty volatile, okay? They go up in one day 250% and go down in just another day or another few weeks almost 50%. So expect this kind of volatility and risk. That's why we said manage your risk wisely. Don't get in with full position with those stocks, okay? Just remember that. Don't be greedy. Don't put even 10,000, okay? This is really risky. Unless if you have 1 million, you put 10,000, this is just 1% or from your portfolio, it doesn't matter. But always take the 1% rule, okay? If you have like 10,000 or let's say 10,000, you just trade with 1% with 10,000 of your whole portfolio, okay? So this will never hurt your portfolio. 1% is okay, you can actually risk it. The other one, you put it on safe investment and kind of swing trade blue chip company. This is for my opinion. If you want to, if you have a risk for tolerance, do whatever you want, but this is my rule and strategy that I learned from my trading career, that I will never sabotage my strategy, because I already did that before and I lost money. So I don't want to do it once again. The idea is to learn from our mistake and never do them. This is the only way to be a better trader and never losing money. This is the first rule, never losing money. Okay, BGXX, as we said, $1.16 is the current support to watch out for. And the breakout zone for this week, oh man, $1.50 is a bit far. Let me just check. Another 18%, yeah. Otherwise, here is not confirmed for a breakout. Still, we need to hold here and break there. QBTS. This one is risky, but let me just check if we have a support. Yeah, we got support. $1.57, we gapped today, and there's a potential for the $2. There's a potential for the $2. Let me just put it there. Yeah, $1.99 for a breakout. And let me just check the pre-market high, QBTS. And the pre-market volume. Pre-market volume is a bit light, around 700K. We might see a beacon up in volume when the market open. This is not a problem. The price, okay, this not expensive. Pre-market high around the $3.24. Oh man, we lost a lot of gain in the pre-market. You see, now, no, Friday we closed around the $1.58. Price right now is around the $2.46. Yeah, we lost a lot of gains. Pre-market high is around the $3.24. $3.24. Oh, no way. Almost 100%. So this one went until the $3.24 around this AMA and got rejected. So this one we might have a squeeze, guys. So I will watch this one. $2 potential squeeze or $1.99 potential squeeze. And support, of course, we have to watch out for the support. Looking good. QBTS looking good. TRKA is still fighting. TRKA still fighting. Okay guys, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes to the opening bell, 5 minutes. Come on guys, let's make 100 likes before the market open. Just 5 minutes is doable. I think it's doable. We got over 120 viewers and just 47 likes. Come on, let's even this out before the market open. Let's hunt for the likes before we hunt for the stocks. Okay, let's see TRKA. We might see red to green before the market open. As we said, this is the breakout zone, this ascending line. We might have a breakout zone before the market open. This will be really juicy. If we just broke this line around the 2750, this will be juicy. Let's see if we have a breakout. Boom, this will be really good. We'll break this when the market open, then continue to go higher around the 32. This will be good. This will be good. Let me just check. TRKA, BBIG, gravitating down. BBIG test our resistance and gravitating down. So I'll not trade it until we clear the 87. ELYC still gravitating down. APE gravitating still. Let me just check. Let me just lower this here for potential breakout. MULN. Okay, we are around the corner. The opening bell just in the corner. 4 minutes left. I'm just checking which one we should watch. TRKA, QBTS, BGXX is a bit far. BBAI. Okay, this one I don't like. No, I don't like this one. Okay, we have QBTS. QBTS. We might trade this one. Okay, 3 minutes left. Just remember a disclaimer: trading is risky. Do your due diligence, and you have to manage your risk always, and don't follow me blindly. Okay, this is really important to know before we open the market. And yeah, QBTS looking good. TRKA, are we watching those two for the opening bell? BBIG, we're gonna trade it if we broke the breakout zone, so not right now. I will take it from the list. ELYC, I will take it from the list for a moment. ABE, will keep it. MULN will keep it. AI, okay. AMC is a bit far. FFIE, yeah, I will put alert down there around the $1, maybe 20 in this box to see if we're gonna hit it. And boom. Let me just check. Okay, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes for the opening bell. Let's see what's gonna happen. The market will be reacting right now. The market reacting. TRKA and the move. TRKA, red to green. TRKA, we might see a squeeze for TRKA because we did almost 50% before the market open. Let's go. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. We have two stocks. TRKA, it did 50%, but we give all the profit back. Now it's just 3%. So we might see another pump before the market open for TRKA towards this profit taken 32.90. So let's see what's gonna happen. This one looking interesting. Let me just put this there. Okay, this should be the bottom around the 24. 24 should be the support for today. And this is a breakout zone. Let me just put here around the 32. Okay, we break in 27.35. We break in TRKA. Let's go. Okay, the SPY, we'll watch the SPY later. Let me just put it here. The SPY looking good. We watch the SPY later, okay? At the moment, let's watch TRKA is pumping. TRKA and the move 5%, 6%. We're gonna have a huge bump for TRKA for the day market. Let's go, guys. TRKA on the move. TRKA 6%, 5% is bumping. Okay, TRKA is bumping. Let's go. TRKA toward the 32. We need to hold this pump that we did around the 25 to go toward the 32. So this is really important for TRKA. We need a continuation. TRKA, let's go. TRKA is pumping 28 cents. Let's see the 30 cents. If we saw the 30 cents, we're gonna have a huge pump. 28 cents. TRKA on the move. Red to green. TRKA. TRKA is moving. 8% up. TRKA. Let me just check my trade. Okay, TRKA. Okay, TRKA 9%. Perfect. So it's moving now. TRKA. QBTS. No. TRKA. We watching TRKA. In AI is moving, both of them. Okay, TRKA is moving. TRKA is moving up. Okay, we're already up 10% right now. 10.85, 11%. Let's go. TRKA is moving. This good trade. Let's go. 28. We need the 30, guys. We need the 29.50. This is a current resistance now. 29.50. We might see a rejection there. Okay. If we broke it without the rejection, we're gonna go directly toward the 32.90. Here a rejection. Here a rejection. Watch out. TRKA. Let's see AI. AI is a bit going down. That's normal. Let me just go in a smaller picture. We see a bit of rejection happening right now. We need to hold. TRKA. We need the pump. We need to have a pump right now. Not going toward the 28. Below the 28, we might see a bit of sell-off. We need to have a continuation now. Let's see if we're gonna have a hold up or not. This is it. Here, we need another pump. There's someone selling. There's someone selling here. We need to have a pump here. I prefer not going below the 28. Now we have a bit of sell-off. You see? So this is now a breakout zone around the 27.67. Let me just put it there. Yeah, we got rejected below it. This is normal. Okay, QBTS looking good. QBTS, there's a potential here. Let me just check. We have BGXX. BGXX got shorted, but we bought back around the $1.16. You know what I'm gonna do? I put another alert around the $1.14 for a potential. If we broke this level of support, it's game over for BGXX. QBTS, I'm waiting for the $2 break. TRKA got a bit shorted. We need to hold give or take above this level to confirm a breakout. Let me just show you. We need to hold this 26 cents. The 26 cents to confirm a continuation for TRKA and going toward this first squeeze area around the 29, then the 32. Okay, so this is really important to hold the 26 cents. This is it for TRKA. We need to hold it in order to have a continuation. TRKA on the move. FFIE going back to fill our box, of course. FFIE, we're gonna have a reversal there. I'm watching FFIE, and you know what I'm gonna do? We might see a reversal. Let me just check. Boom. Yeah, it's getting shorted heavily, and put it there. as last support. Boom, take it out. AI have a struggle around the 28. AI, MULN still have a struggle around the breakout zone. Abe have a struggle to go higher. So now is fighting. Abe, we need to hold it, man. This area, we need to hold it. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge, not a huge sell-off, but a test again around this AMA, around the $2.90. AI have a breakout. AI looking good. Okay, AI looking good. We have another breakout for AI. Okay, TRKA is pumping. TRKA is still holding. QBTS getting shorted is not looking good. Not looking good, brother. We'll take it off. TRKA looking good and AI looking really good. We have a test and rejection. Still, we need to break the 28, man. 28.74 for a potential squeeze. 28.75. 28.75. MULN got shorted again because, of course, this box we spoke about before. This is the squeeze area. We didn't have enough volume to break it. For Abe, yeah, still have a struggle. Have a struggle around the $3.20. Let me just check if we could actually update levels. Okay. Okay, TRKA. TRKA, we have a really interesting movement now. This area is really critical between the 26 and the 29. This area is really critical. Breaking this level is sell-off. Breaking this level is a squeeze. What's gonna be? TRKA. We have a critical moment. 29.60 and the 26 critical moment. TRKA, we might see a squeeze now. But it's not clear yet until we clear the 29.60 to have another pump. TRKA toward the 32. Still looking strong for me. Okay, TRKA. TRKA. 11%. We might see the 50%. AI got shorted again around the 28.74. Normal. TRKA looking good. TRKA looking good. TRKA, we might see a squeeze. TRKA for the squeeze. TRKA for the squeeze around the 29.67. TRKA 12%, 13% is really critical here. 29.67, really critical here. This area is really critical. Are we gonna break it or not? The first 30 minutes is really important. Let's go. What's gonna be? We should have a huge clear for this level without a test, preferably without a test. $29.15. Okay, it's about to break. AI is breaking. AI is breaking right now. AI breaking the level. That's why we have a pump right now. AI. Let me just check. AI is pumping. AI is pumping. 29.20. Perfect. 29.26. AI is pumping. TRKA is about to pump. TRKA is about to pump. TRKA. We have just one level. That's why if you have a bit of hold up here. Are we gonna have the same reaction as AI? We have a test, rejection, holding above this AMA, then breaking. AI toward the 31.20. TRKA have a bit of struggle. As we said, the 29.67 is the really important level to break. Now we have a sell-off. Okay, we have a sell-off. Let's check AI. AI doing all right. Okay, we bought back, really good. TRKA bought back. Huge wick. Okay, TRKA pumped. TRKA is pumping now. TRKA for the 29.60. We need to see the 30 cent for a squeeze. TRKA. AI is pumping. AI is pumping. TRKA. TRKA. QBTS sold off. Yeah, QBTS sold off. AI, MULN, Abe, not good. So we got AI and TRKA. AI already pumped. So we have the 31.20 as a profit taken. TRKA is not ready yet. We have a struggle around this breakout zone. As we said, the 29.60. Someone bought really heavily here, so we need to hold this level. We don't want to break it around the 28 cent. We need to hold it in order to break. 28.65. Not looking good now. Okay, 29. Let's go right now or never. Now or never. We need the 30 cents. 30 cents. Let's go TRKA. 30 cents. We need the 30 cents. Okay, 29.40. 29.50. Let's go 30 cents. Let's go 30 cents. We need the 30 cents. Okay, 29.60. Let's go TRKA and move TRKA. Let's put it there. TRKA is about to pump. Okay, 29.70, 30 cents. We need the 30 cents. Let's go. Yeah, 29.79. We need the 30 cents. AI have a bit of selling pressure, but now still holding. TRKA still. 30 cent is the breakout. $15 million worth of volume. What a crazy day, man. Okay, TRKA and the move. TRKA 30 cents. We need the 30 cent for a breakout. TRKA testing our resistance. TRKA still testing 29.70. We have 19K, the other one 18K. So we need 50K or something to break this level. AI is pumping. AI on the move. AI on the move. AI $30 and still moving. This one is the biggest gainer. TRKA is pumping. We're still in the green, around the 9% or almost 10%. Let's see if we're gonna have another pump for it. AI, TRKA, we need to break the 30 cents. We need to break the 30 cents. Let's go. 29.80. We need the 30 cent. Come on. 30 cent is the squeeze. 29.88. Where's the 30? Where's the balls? Where's the balls, everybody? Where's the balls? There's a huge fight happening right now. There's a huge fight here, man. The 30 cent. The 30 cent. Look at this, man. Okay, 29.97. 29.99. 29.99. Come on, where's the 30, man? This is crazy. We didn't see the 30 cent. 29.99. Exactly, we saw the 29.99. Look. Oh man, this is madness. 39.99 for a rejection. Oh boy. This is madness. AI toward the first profit taking 31.20. First profit taking will be hit pretty soon for AI. Let me just put alert here. First profit taking for AI will hit pretty soon. However, this one is still fighting, guys. Still fighting. 29.93. We need the 30 cent. We need the huge pump here. We need the huge green candle around the 30 cent. We need the huge green candle for this one. Come on. What's going on? This one is really mad. Crazy stock. 29.95. 29.95. We need the 30 cent. We need to see the 30 cent. Okay, 30 cent. We saw the 30 cent in just less than a fraction of a second. Okay, what's gonna be? What's gonna be? What's gonna be? Okay, AI have a bit selling pressure, but we're still holding the 28.74. TRKA is still fighting. Let me just go. Yeah, we have a test and rejected. But I like this one. We have a huge buying pressure from there. Let's see. We still got rejected again. 29. We just got rejected around the 30 cent. Look what's happened here. We got the 30 cent our price, and we didn't hold even 10 seconds. Let me just go on the 10-second chart. Look what happened, man. We went until here and we didn't even stay 1 second around the 30 cent. We didn't even saw a 1 second hold up. Let me just check if we could actually go under 1 second. Let's see. Yeah, look, we got just 2 seconds on the 30 cent, and the price got shorted. 30 seconds, 2 candle, 2 seconds, boom, the price got shorted. Just 2 seconds. You didn't have even to blink before you could actually buy under 30 seconds. Oh man, you can actually even blink to buy. That's why the price got shorted. Let me just check. But now it's still holding. We got alert for WIMI. Got shorted. I don't like it. ABE is going down 1%. MULN still holding. AI still pumping. Okay, AI looking good. AI to the moon. AI to the moon. Okay, BGXX just broke our support, so we'll forget about it right now. TRKA still, I'm watching for a break for the 30 cent. AI, we need to test the 31.20. MULN still holding the gap that we did today. We got rejected again around our resistance. And the 5 minute is still looking good. AI, we have a huge short open here. You see a huge wick, but we're still holding. We might see a 5 minute pullback. 5 minute pullback for AI. This 5 minute just got 1 minute and 35 seconds to close. So are we gonna close it green or red? Let me just check. Okay, AI is going down. TRKA is still holding. Okay. AI 50 seconds for this 5 minute candle to close green or red. We'll see if we're gonna close it green or red. This is a huge fight now. Turning point for this 5 minute candle. We needed to close a green to go toward the 31.20. Decisive moment. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mike. Here is a good afternoon. You should have said good afternoon, because now is almost 4 p.m. in France. TRKA and the move. TRKA and the move. AI. Okay, we closed red. We're watching TRKA and AI. Both of them are good mover. Okay, TRKA and the move. Are we gonna have a breakout now or not? This is it. Okay, AI have huge selling pressure now. A huge wick opened near this profit taken, the 31. We have to have a reversal right now. Never going below the 2870. Yeah, we have an overextension for AI chart. Yeah, the short is looking for a short opportunity on an AI. That's why we have a bit of selling pressure right now. Okay, we're still holding the 2870. We need to have a reversal right now. Okay, so we're still holding a reversal now. A reversal now would be good for AI. We have to continue toward the 31 now. 29.45. This is the support. Okay, pumping. AI reversal. 29.60. Okay, TRKA, there's something about to happen for TRKA. There's something about to happen. Look at this. There's something about to happen. AI, red to green. Okay, we need to hold this candle above the 29.55. Let's see for continuation. Okay, TRKA doing good. Okay, TRKA is moving. TRKA and we move. We have to go toward the 32 now, 32.90. Let's see if we hold. Aha. Let's see. This is not looking good. We should have actually held this level. Okay, AI looking good now. Red to green. Okay, AI toward the 3120. 3120. We have a reversal and we held above this support, so this is good. Now we have to do a new high around the 3057 toward the 3120. Then of course the 39. This will be the biggest target. Let me just check how much from there. Yeah, another 25%. Yeah, Abe has got shorted again. You know, for Abe, we're gonna have to test this AMA and hold above it, okay? So you see that we're still in bullish trend here. So this channel is still looking good for Abe. Look, so now we are ready in bullish momentum higher above this AMA. The $2.60 should hold for this week to continue to go higher toward the 4. I'm watching this, and AI is pumping. AI is pumping toward the 3120. 3120. First profit taken. Space Galactic testing for Virgin Galactic, testing our breakout zone. $6.50. Okay, we have a breakout. Xella moving 4% now. Xella is moving, found a bit of support. So Xella have something going on. Got shorted when we broke from the 7 cents. You see here, when we broke this support, we have a huge selling pressure. Now we have another support, and the price is pumping now. 19 million worth of volume. The breakout zone next time is this level, which is around 7 cents. Already put my alert, so here will be a squeeze for Exilla. Put it down a bit to be ready for Exilla hunt. AMC still doing good, still holding above the $5.60, but we still didn't break this this resistance box. FFIE, we discussed in the pre-market today. We said we're gonna fill this box, and we entered inside it, so now we have to have a reversal for FFIE. If UBO still holding, got rejected around the $3.27. BBY reversing. Okay, this is good. As we said, this is a support, and this is the resistance. So we have a breakout pretty soon. We might see the breakout in power hour for today for BBY. If that happened, we're gonna do short update analysis once we have the breakout from the $3.60. Okay. We're going to do the short analysis update for BBY or any stock that pump after we finish our live streaming here on our Patreon and Discord, okay? Because we always do short analysis update like we did for Abe last time on Friday. So stay tuned for this update short analysis on our Hunter channel. Coinbase, HLBZ not ready, Lucid, okay, pumping 3%. BBIG is still holding 9% the gain, looking good. BBIG, we might see a power hour pump for BBIG toward the 87 because the first 30 minutes we didn't have any reaction for BBIG. CTMX is about to break the flag. Look, we have interesting chart looking here. We have a rejection and price accumulating inside this box. We might see a breakout. CTMX alert, CTMX on the lookout. Make sure to drink your water. Really important. Bless the like button and the way in. We do always live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time to discuss the stock that have potential to squeeze, and we have a strategy for today. Okay, we got many question. TRKA. We got Brando, Exilla, ARBK for Elite. Naeem asked about Lucy pumping. GNS. Okay, we got many questions. We're gonna reply on those questions later on, before like 30 minutes before we finish our live streaming. At the moment, let us watch the stocks on our watch list. We got Ape, have a bit of gravitation down. As we said, we need to hold this current support for a reversal during the day. We need to hold here to continue to go higher. For MULN, okay, looking good. We're gonna have a retest for MULN. If we held the gap around the 42, we're gonna have a huge pump after we clear this box toward the first profit taken, the 60 cent. AI is pumping. AI is doing really good. AI is looking pretty nice. 31.20 should be the profit taken. TRKA going a bit down, but we're still holding. Still holding this support, the 26. We need to hold above the 26 if we don't want to have a sell-off and continuation toward the 32.90. Space Galactic got rejected around our breakout zone. Let me just lower this out. Let's check the biggest gainer volume wise. We got Tesla. Tesla is about to break the 200. Alert, Tesla is about to break the 200. The 199 is the breakout zone for Tesla. We're watching Tesla. SU or SOUN is breaking. AI SECO. We got many questions regarding this stock. Here we got question regarding the stock, what's gonna happen. So we're gonna have a breakout toward this profit taken around the $5. Let me just check around those two areas. Around those two areas, the green one and this one. So between the $5.86 and the $6.87. And this is the breakout zone. We already tested $4.14. We already did 131% for this stock. We might see another pump. We'll watch this one. $4.10 for a breakout. Already did 130. We might see another 50% for this stock. SECO looking good. SECO. Okay, let us watch this one. We got Amazon down. BZFD and BBAI is pumping toward the first profit taken, the $6.98. AMC. Okay, SECO is pumping. SECO. What's gonna be? $32.76. Okay, just $12.35. And here $70.21. Okay, we'll see if we're gonna have a breakout here or not. A breakout or not. This is it. SECU. SECO. 136% up. Don't tell me we got rejected again. No. We have a great bounce here from this EMA, so we have potential break now. Still testing. SECO 140%. We might see another 40% if we clear this level. $40 for this 1 minute candle to close. Okay, we have a huge pump and a huge dump. What a crazy stock. Not looking good, man. Huge short open. Let me just see, this huge pump, 10%, and we shorted. I think we're gonna continue to go down. This is not looking good actually. Huge, really big wick. This wick should have actually took us until the $5. Yeah. Game over. Let's see this one. We got KAL, ARQQ, SNES. We got mini stock and low on volume, you know. So this is tricky. When you buy those stocks, you get stuck. So you have to be extremely careful buying those stocks. RSLS got shorted almost 60%. We have a huge gap. This one was big mover the last few days. I think we got a huge gap. Look here. We got a huge gap around February the 2nd, and we went almost 300%. Yeah. Beginning of this month. And then guess what? If you hold it and you don't take profit, we went down at the same price that we broke from. So we give all the profit away. 300%, we give it all the away in the next week. So 1 week you've been 300% up. If you hold, you lose 300%. You'll be even. So this is how risky it is, the market, you know. If you don't take profit, you will be losing money. For this case, you'll be losing the profit, but the worst case, you're gonna lose the profit addition and with the interest. The interest is actually losing your own money. This one is still holding. We might see another retest for this this zone. Let me just put another alert. We might see another test later on because we don't have a sell-off yet. Didn't have a sell-off yet till we break the $3.35. How everybody doing? AI going back to retest the support after we almost hit our profit taken. You see here around the 30.90, yeah, and we got rejected. Okay, SECO getting shorted. We didn't have a clear breakout around the $4.08. Clear wick, you see here. We didn't hold even 1 minute candle. Boom, we got rejected. Let's check APRN. Oh, APRN still pumping. APRN. We have a test at the moment around the 4 or 100 or $1.43. Yeah, we have a huge test now. Huge test for APRN. Hello Atik, how are you doing, brother? Let me just check something out. Okay, we have another try to break from the $4.08. We might have a clean breakout this time. Space Galactic got shorted. Okay, what's gonna be SECO? $4.08. We need to have a hold up this time. Okay, SECO, we might have a breakout this time. Still testing, still testing. Huge test. Okay, this 1 minute candle have just 17 seconds. We need to close above this level to confirm at least a strength. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Still closing below. We'll see. We need to close above the $4.14 at least. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, my brother. You are the one. Naeem asked about Lucy. He said Lucy is bumping. Aha, SECO. SECO is pumping right now. Let me just check. Still have a struggle. 10 second. 9. We need to have this candle to close above this orange line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still closing below. Now we have another candle. $4.18, $4.19. Okay, we might have a clear breakout now. SECO. SECO. Are we gonna have a continuation? Okay, breaking out. SACO. Okay, we might have another breakout. Let's go. A new high over the $4.50. Price target $5.86. SECO on the move. $4.34. 35. We need the $5. We need the $5 for SECO. Top gainer for today. High risk, high reward. Let's see if we could actually go toward the $5 for this stock. Okay, pumping for $1.44. Let's put it there. Let's see another pump toward the $5. SECO, 164% up, 27 worth of volume. We have two stocks hit our scan, but we watching SECO pumping. Yeah, we pumped. We squeezing. SECO squeezed. Let's go. SECO on the move, $5. Next target. SECO on the move. We have a breakout, guys, breakout. $5. We're gonna have the $5, then the $5.86. Let's go. It's moving. This one is a huge gainer. This one is a big gainer, a big runner. Let's go. SECO on the move. Let's go. $5. We're gonna see the $5 right now. $5, of course. $5.86. Second profit taken now. A huge selling pressure, of course. The $5 is psychological level. We got rejected around the $5. A huge selling pressure happening now. Are we gonna pump from the $5? If we pumped, we're gonna have the $5.86. $5 for a break. $5 for a break. Okay, $4.89, 94. What's gonna be? SECO, 190% up. SECO on the move. We cut this break. We have a sell-off. And then we have gaining back some ground. As we said, there's a potential pump if we still holding. And we held and we broke the $4.14 and was a really good entry here. Profit taken first around the $5 because we said it's a rejection. Now we're gonna have a break from the $5. Let's see the break, the $5. We might see another pump toward the $5.86. SECO on the move. Let's go. Already did how much from here? 18% in just few seconds. Oh man, this one's crazy. In a few minutes. The $5, another pump. $5, another pump. Let's see, break for the $5. Aha. Short is the short are hiding here, man. Around the 5. Yeah. I saw you. We saw you. We saw the short. The short are hiding there, man. Yeah, the $5 was the short position to short this. That's why you take your profit. Always take your profit, guys. Profit is profit. Okay, let me just open the lights. It's getting dark here. Okay, perfect. I don't know why we have light. Okay. Okay, so the $5, as we said, is the rejection area for SECO. So we cut this trade when we saw this first test, a rejection, but we held above our AMA and we cut the second breakout. So this was a clean breakout. Boom, the price went until the 5, then it got rejected. That's why we took our profit there for this rejection. Now we need to hold above the $4.14 to continue to go higher toward the $5.86 SECO. Let me just check if we actually did the chart analysis on our Jesus watch list. SACO. No, we didn't for this one. I think we did it last week. ARBK. Okay, ARBK not looking good now. Still 9%, but we still below this box. Elite, look. This is the squeeze area between the $3.70, the $2.70. What I mean by squeeze area, if you're new here and you don't know what we mean about squeeze, is a profit taking and resistant area. If we didn't break it, okay, we're gonna see this reaction. But will be squeeze if we broke it like this. This will be squeeze. This is the squeeze I'm talking about. If we broke this box and hold above it, boom, we're gonna have the squeeze after we break this area. Let me just check the other two stocks that was on our alert section. AI got shorted right around our profit taking, the 31. That's why we went down. APRN is pumping, guys. APRN is pumping 20%. APRN looking really good. APRN. Okay, APRN looking good. SECO got shorted. We'll watch for the $5 break, and we'll watch if we hold above the current support, the $4. So the 4, this is kind of easy trade, or not easy trade, but the level is kind of manipulated somehow. We have the $5 squeeze, and now the $4 is the support, exactly around the $4. So we have to watch out for those two levels for this stock. Okay. Naeem, SECO looking juicy. Exactly, brother. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, Joseph. Let us check Brando 2017 GNS. What's going on with it? A new member on our Hunter channel. A new member here. So GNS is still sleeping, brother. You know what I'm gonna do for GNS trade? I will wait for it. This kind of trade you need to be patient. You see here we have this box as a support above the $5.80 and the $6.20. If we hold this in a big picture, is mean we gonna have a continuation for this loading up phase. And the next time we clear the $7.93, we're gonna have potential another pump toward the $8.60 and around the $11. So now is accumulation if we're still holding above this box for GNS. ARBK is pumping, Exilla Elite, we already discussed Exilla. Joni, you are the only one who asked about crypto coin, you know? You are the only one. Alvin. Okay, Alvin said he's all in at ELYS. Okay, we already discussed ELYS. We already took it from our trade here because still not looking good. Okay, you have to watch out for the support. If you are all in, just watch out. The 89 should be the support. And the breakout zone for this stock is the $1.48. Now it's accumulating. Now is consolidating. After this huge shock that we have, this stock had around the $2. Boom, we got shorted. This stock was up in the pre-market almost 100%, and now just 17% up. So there's a potential for this stock to go to red to green later on, okay? So this stock, what's going on here? Okay, TRKA. This is not normal, man. Let me just open another one. We have a bit of glitch for the chart on TradingView. That's why I'm just trying to close it and open it again. Okay, fixed. The glitch is fixed. the O is the solution if you have a trouble electronically. Or even physically, if you feel a bit sick or dizzy, you just turn off and on. For a human being, you just sleep. You know, it means you turn your body off. Then when you wake up, everything will be fixed. The same what happened right now. I have a bit of glitch on TradingView chart, so I just close the chart and open it again and fix it. QBTS is still holding. AI, okay. BGXX still holding above the support. Not bad, not bad. So SECO got shorted right around our resistance, the $5. Good trade, guys, good trade. Just saying, BGXX is now around the bottom. At the moment is around the bottom. APRN, George asked about APRN. Is one of our hunter you see here 6 months ago. One of the elites on the old members here on YouTube membership section. Thank you for the support, George. APRN is, let me just check, 15%. So we got a bit of breakout and a sell-off. So this is kind of tricky now for APRN. Really tricky around this area, the $1.45. So the APRN, look with me in the big picture, because APRN is crazy volatile. You know, we have not clean breakout, but in the big picture, one thing is really confirmed for me is this support. and above the $1, yeah, above the $1. So APRN, the psychological level I'm holding for this year to confirm continuation higher is the $1, and at the moment is the $1.45 as a resistance to continue toward the $2, which is the squeeze area and profit taken after we clear it, the $2.72. Now you see clearly that we are in bullish reversal for APRN after we hit the last bottom last year and around December, the 64 cents. So now looking good because we have bullish momentum continuation, and every time we have a pump, we have a sell-off, pump, sell-off, and pump, we might see a sell-off again. You know why? Because the stock is heavily shorted. You see it from the chart here. The price was around the 172 around 2017, and we went until below the $1. So a lot of people got cut in this stock, buying around the top, even around the 29. So that's why many people just getting out from the trade at any possible pump, you know. So I'm watching for the $2 reversal area for the big picture. We enter a bullish trend. Okay, now we're still in bearish momentum for APRN. You are welcome, George. You are welcome. Tesla is rejected, yeah, around the 200, as we said before. Look with me closely. We did the chart analysis for Tesla. I think we did MULN, AI. Yeah, MULN, it was here. You see, we already did chart analysis for MULN about the squeeze area, the 44 and 47. For Tesla, I think we did chart analysis for Tesla here. This is GNS, DWAC, Lucy. Aha, so we have to check Lucy because we already did chart analysis for it. Let me just check Lucy because we got a question regarding Lucy. Lucy juicy. The stock was juicy last week because it's bumped over 100%, then got shorted. Aha, you see what's happened? We have a huge bump for Lucy, almost 200%. Now the price is about to break this level. I'm watching for this hunt. There is a great hunt for today in the power hour. Yeah. Juicy, Lucy the juicy. We might see a pump for this stock because it's accumulating. You see here, we have accumulation. So someone buying before a huge pump. So I'm watching the $2.60 for a breakout for today in a power hour. Not now. Not now, my brother. Not now. Oh man, Brando, I'm really sorry for your loss. I'm really sorry. Just take it as a learning experience. You know, don't think about the loss as that you lost money, but this is an educational way of losing money in the market. Take it as education, the cost of education for you. If you don't go back and ask yourself the hard question, why you bought Exilla, and how and when, and the emotional state you are in order to never do it again, you know, this is the only way to prevent any loss in the future, is going back in time and decipher what happened in the trade. A lot of people don't want to go back. You know why? Because it's kind of emotional hurt. You feel the emotional like heaviness of the memory, so you don't want to go back. It's easier to denial, it's easy to forget, but trust me, man, this is not way to grow, is not a way to improve and learn. You know, the only way to learn is learn from your mistake, but how you learn from your mistake is going back and face the truth. And that's why there is a lot of people losing money and still losing money and do the same mistake because they never learn from their own mistake. So please, Brando, don't take it as a loss, but just go back in time and ask yourself the hard question. And trust me, after few months or years, you're gonna thank me for that, and you can actually save yourself a lot of money in the next trade. Joseph said ENR, unbelievable. Okay, what's going on? Let me just check it for you. You said unbelievable. Let's check the stock to see if Joseph is right. If this stock have potential to pump. Exactly, Ray. Risk management is the key. ENR. It's been requested from Joseph. Oh man, yeah, you're right. We have a huge gap for this stock, but is a bit expensive, 34. So we don't expect any volatility. So for this stock, yeah, we have earnings. We have some news and bad earnings. Yeah, we got huge bad earnings. Okay, so we got a turning point for this stock. You see what's happened? We have almost 7 earnings for this stock. It was good. Last earning were around, let me just check, last Monday. No, today. Today, yeah, pre-market. The earning was today. That's why we have the gap down for this stock. So we're gonna have to watch for the 31.85 as a support if we don't want to continue to go down for the stock. I'm watching for the 31.85. 81.85. Yeah, the 31.85 should be the support. We don't want to go back down toward this bottom, the 24.44. Yeah, the bottom price is 24.44, but the support should be the 31.85. The volume is a bit light on this one. Okay, SECO is pumping once again, holding. Oh man, this one is held. It held above our support, the $4.14, and we have another pump. Okay, this one is juicy. SECO is really mean business. It's really mean business. TRKA still holding. AI, MULN, a still. So we got SECO and Lucy, GENE. Maybe we might have something going on for this one. But you know what, this one is a bit tricky because we don't have as well a clean breakout for this one. It's kind of around the $1.90, but I'm not confident enough to enter here because it's tricky. The most important level for GENE is breaking this level around this box. Down there, I don't have any trust around this area. I don't trust this stock. The bottom is around the $1.46. Lucy is kind of preparing for a pump. Is preparing for a huge pump. Lucy is preparing for a huge pump. Let me just lower this down and put it like this. Okay. Let me check your question, guys. APRN, we already check it. Tesla, let me just check Tesla. Someone said Tesla got rejected. Yeah, kind of. In smaller picture, we got rejected around the 199. Lucy is breaking. Oh man, the moment that we take our eyes from Lucy, it's getting juicy. Lucy is getting juicy. Okay, Lucy is getting juicy. But I can't find it on the European market. It's not available if you are in Europe. My brokerage account or my brokerage firm doesn't actually have the stock. Okay, this pump was on low volume, so watch out, guys. 300, almost 400k, 12% up. But we have a potential pump for Lucy. If we hold this pump that we already did, we're gonna have a test around the $2.90 and the $3.37. Let me just check how much we can do. 12% and 28%. So we might have a potential trade here for Lucy, the juicy stock. Let me just put alerts around the first profit taken, $2.95. Let's see if we could hit this level. SACO going down again is tricky. As we said, the $5 is resistant. Support is $4. TRKA is still holding above our support, as we said, the 26. In between heaven and hell. The heaven if we squeeze toward the 32, and the hell if we broke the 26, and we could actually see a huge selling pressure. So we have to watch out. Let me just check the biggest gainer again. We got SECO number 1. The second one is lighter on volume. ARQQ did 54% and still pumping. Oh man, this one looking nice. This one looking really interesting. This one, it look really interesting. Oh man, we might have the $5 for this one as well. The $5 is price target. Price target 25% after we have a clear breakout from this level. So this one looking good. Let me just see the support. $3 is a bit far. It's really risky. That's why it's really risky. This one we might have the break for the 4 to go toward the 5. What's up with the 4 and the 5, man? We have two stocks that have two levels, the same, SECO and ARQQ. Both of them are the top gainers, and both of them have the same price target, man. Is this manipulation? I don't know, man. Is this coincidence? I don't know. Okay, Lucy, the juicy is pumping. It's pumping. $2.67, $2.67, going toward the $2.95. SECO, as we said, SECO and ARQQ, both of them have the same target. However, SECO is over the 4 because we squeezed over the 4. ARQQ we didn't squeeze yet, so we might see the same trade that we did for SECU. If you remember, if you came early, we already did a trade for this one when we broke this level, and we said the profit taken should be the 5. The price get rejected. We might see the same reaction here for ARQQ, breaking the $4 to go toward the 5. So I'm watching ARQQ. Okay, let me just check. Oh man, Lucy hit our first profit taken. Lucy hit our first profit taken. Lucy, $3. Lucy is pumping toward the $3.37. $3.37. Another trade. Perfect. We checked this level. $2.59 was our level of breakout. ARQQ is pumping. Lucy is pumping as well. Oh man, this one is good. This one is good. Okay, ARQQ. Let me just check. Perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, first profit taking hit. First profit taking hit for Lucy. ARQQ is pumping toward the $5. Let's see the $5. We might see a bit of rejection around the $4.30 first before the $5. So Lucy went to our first profit taken, as we said. Lucy looking good. SECO looking not that good. We got rejected. TRKA, AI, MULN, and ABE not. So I'll take those two and watch those. Lucy is IE. Okay, let's watch ARQQ for potential another pump toward the $4.30. Of course, Sunray. Could you put the link to check the video later? Because I can't see the link. I thought like you did the video. BIOR, waking up. Still 5%. Getting near a rejection zone around this area, the $4.30. Oh ho ho ho! Oh man, 9%. 9%. Just testing our AMA now. Oh man, low volume, but there's a huge pump. A huge pump for BIOR. Something is going on. Something is going on with this stock. Something is about to happen. So let me just check. We're gonna have a test here. We're gonna have a test. Pretty good test. Let me just lower it there. Okay, ARQQ. ARQQ for the test for the $4.30. Lucy got rejected right around our profit taken. Lucy got rejected right around our profit taken. $2.95. We got alerted right around the $2.59 here, exactly. And what we said, we're gonna have the first profit taken here, $2.95. Price got rejected with a huge wick and went down. SECO, the same reaction. We entered around this level. We got the rejection around the 5. The price went down and still holding our support above the $4. ARQQ potential going toward the $5. ARQQ, there's a potential for $1.30. Let's see. ARQQ potential pump toward that $4.30. Let's see a huge pump now or never. Let's go, let's go, let's go. By the way, guys, you can actually share our live streaming to anybody that you know that have issue with trading or want to prove trading, okay? So this is a good way to learn by trading, by seeing live action on the chart, okay? So you can actually share our live streaming to your loved one or your friends in order to share our 100 tribe and help as much as possible a new trader that's losing money each day. That's why we do our live streaming, to help our new trader out and expand our hunter mentality to new traders, okay? Okay, ARQQ getting shorted. Yeah, the $4.08 hitting resistant, $4.08. Interesting. Okay, so we got rejected here for ARQQ, $4.08. It was the resistant. Lucy got rejected right around the level that we talk about. We have a huge selling pressure. TRKA is still fighting and holding the 26. Let me just check here. Yeah, 26.50. We might see a huge pump once again for TRKA. Okay, we got alert APRN. Alert for APRN. Another try to break the $1.46. Okay, this time we might see a clean breakout. APRN 21%. We might see another pump for APRN. APRN around the $1.46. Let's see. Let me just put another alert around the $1.37. How much from here? Yeah, APRN, we might have a squeeze. Turning point. Okay, I'm watching APRN. Let me just check AI again because we got some question about AI. Okay, so for AI, we got rejected around the 31, near the 31. We got around the 30.90. That's why we got rejected. You see here around the profit taken that we said after we broke the 28. So now let me just show you what's gonna happen for AI. Let me just show you. Let me just take this level and update our level. So the support for today to hold to continue to go higher, this gap around the 26. Let me just put it there just in case, around the 25.60. So this should be a support for us to continue to go higher toward the 39 and 35 after we clear the 31 or the 30.90, yeah, around this level. So yeah, we have to update our levels for AI. Things have to change. Okay, so we have to update the support to confirm a strength for our chart around this level, the 25.66, let's say. Okay, perfect. We have a breakout. If you see in the big picture, clean breakout. We have entered the bullish trend from the 15. And now we're still pumping, you see. Every time for AI we get selling pressure, we have market maker buying discounted price, and price go up, and here accumulation, then price go up, and now we see a bit of hold up, then price would go up. This will be a really great reaction. Now we have like indecision 4-hour candle, you see, a wick without any body. A huge selling pressure from above and a huge buying pressure from below. So indecision phase right now. That's why the price is gravitating down. 30.87 turning point. Yeah, we need to hold. And you know what? Let me just put a box. So here we should hold like what we said before. You see here, when we held this box, we have a bump. So this box should hold again to continue to go higher and confirm the bullish momentum for AI. APRN, what's gonna be? So APRN looking good. APRN on the move. APRN is pumping, guys. APRN. So APRN, we might see the $2 for today. This will be a really great pump. Let me just check. Let me just put it on $2, but yeah, $1.80 is a potential. Let's see if we hold this breakout without selling pressure for APRN. Okay, APRN is still holding. We might see a pump for APRN. If we're still holding this current support, you see here, someone bought here. We need to hold in order to continue toward this box. APRN. Let's check BBY just very quick. What's going on? So BBY is looking good. BBY looking really great. You see it clear that the price is pumping. There's a potential squeeze at the moment around $3.62. We bought back right around our AMA and around our ascending line. You see it clearly in the big picture here. We have a reversal and we're still holding this level. So we are in bullish reversal. $3.62 for the breakout. As we said, if we broke this level, after our live streaming, we're gonna do update level for the profit taking and the other entry point for BBY on our Patreon and Discord. As you can see here, when we did for Lucy breakout and BBY before, as we suggested that we're gonna have resistance around $3.62. That's why the price got rejected right around our level of resistance here, $3.62, and it went down. So you don't have to hold if you know if there is a resistance, almost 15%, and you load up on the support. So now, as we said, we're gonna do update for BBY after our live streaming on our Discord and Patreon. So stay tuned for this update, urgent update, because we might see this breakout after we close or finish our live streaming. And remember, guys, we do always our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time each day. Discuss all the requested stock and watch the stock that have potential to squeeze, like when we actually hunted for Lucy. When we broke the $2.59, we got alerted. We took our first profit around the $2.95, and the next one is SECO. We entered around the $4 and we took a profit around the $5. and we got TRKA AI when we hit the resistance around the 31, and APRN right now. So SACO going down, APRN still fighting. We should have actually have a huge pump right now. I don't like the hold up and this red candle. We'll watch. We'll see if we're gonna have a continuation now. BBY getting near our breakout zone, the $3.62. Okay, we're gonna do a video update for ABE, MULN, and BBY, and the other stock that we hunted for today for the other updated level at 8 p.m. CET. And we're gonna do early access, of course, for our membership here on YouTube. So the video will be uploaded before 2 hours or 3 hours before we upload it on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned that for our hunters here on our YouTube membership. And we're gonna do short analysis update on our picture on Discord for any breakout level for any stock that we talk about right now, to update the level for the short for entry and exit point for them. So stay tuned for those updates, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And of course, before I forget, if you have any question regarding how to join Patreon and Discord, and because I know that many of you never actually joined Patreon before, you can actually send me an email to let me know what your question is, and it would be I will answer as soon as possible. And my email is tradingjesus.contact@gmail.com. And please don't reply on the scammers that pretend it's me. Okay, the only way to contact me is by this business email. The other is all scam. Anybody who just put my face, like the name, you see Trading Jesus on my face, but they actually told you to, if you want to have any information, follow their Telegram. So this is a scam. Please report them to YouTube. Okay, the only way, as we said, to contact me is by my business email. Okay, stay safe, and see you in the next update.